Morning. Back to the hustle. But how do you balance life?
All's good.
Well, you are good at this. What a genius. Looks like we've hit a crease. Maybe. But it's never creased. Just give it a tap. Also this, and this one too. Sorry. Whoa! All good?
No worries.
Here comes the tunnel. Then, let's get on with the meeting.
Okay, let's continue.
Big files?
No biggie.
Information on a surface level.
Right, but from a user perspective,
It's on and on.
Not me.
Good night.